Aaron. This is the second video about Crunchlabs. In case you don't remember, Crunchlabs is a company founded by Mark Rober. You get a box every month and make a machine. You also learn about the physics and science behind it. The purpose of the box is to build, test, solve, play, and think like an engineer. Now I will open the box. Here are the instructions, and here are the pieces. These are all the pieces. I will build it now. It's done. This is a coin spinner. There is a rubber band that wants to make this red gear move up. You pull this red gear back, but it can't go the other way because there is another rubber band that pushes the pawl against it. The pawl and the red gear form a ratchet. You put the coin here, and this rubber band holds it down. When you push this lever, the pawl moves out of the way and the red gear can move. The red gear strikes the coin and spins it. This is the board from last month. There's already a flywheel gear badge on it from last month. I am putting on the gear badge for this month right now. It says ratchet. The main focuses for this subscription are ratchets and persistence of vision. The coin spinner uses a ratchet to launch the coin, and when the coin spins, it merges the images on both sides of the coin by using persistence of vision. A ratchet is a mechanism that only allows you to rotate something in one direction. When you rotate the gear counterclockwise, the teeth have a moderate slope, so the pawl cannot limit the rotation of the gear. But when you try to rotate the gear clockwise, the pawl digs into the teeth, stopping the rotation of the gear. Ratchets are used in socket wrenches, clocks, zip ties, tie downs, and more. Persistence of vision is when you present a sequence of still images in quick enough succession, the viewer interprets them as a continuous moving image. Persistence of vision works because the human eye and brain can only process 10 to 12 separate images per second, retaining an image for up to 1/15 of a second. If a subsequent image replaces it in this period of time, it will create the illusion of continuity. In Mark Rober's video, he wobbled the pencil. It looked like it was curved because of persistence of vision. Persistence of vision is used in old movie projectors and screens to play videos. It's really fun. This is my second subscription of Crunchlabs, a coin spinner. Please subscribe, like, and share.